Every maker wants a shop that feels like their space. The place where tools are ready, projects flow, and nothing gets in your way. Today, I'll show you how to map it, measure it, and claim it. So when you roll that first bench in, you know this shop is yours. This series is built around 4 main ideas or zones. Every shop, no matter the size or purpose, has to plan for these 4 zones. 1. Intake and WIP, work in progress. 2. Storage for raw materials, parts, and small items. 3. Tool storage and work area. And 4. Worker comfort and safety. If you get these 4 zones right, your shop will be an asset to your work. In this first episode, we'll tackle the foundation, planning and measuring. By the end, you'll have a detailed map of your shop with clearly marked zones and a checklist that keeps you out of rookie mistakes. Investing in this step will enable you to make better decisions as you expand the shop and your capabilities. First, command your floor. Sweep it clean. If it rolls, roll it out. Stack the loose stuff in a corner. We're not doing spring cleaning, we're clearing the battlefield. Next, measurements that matter. Measure once, record the data for later use. 1. Inside floor space dimensions. Length and width. Put your tape measure on the long wall, stretch across, call it out, and record it. Then do the short wall. Ceiling height. Don't measure the highest point. That's lying to yourself. Measure the lowest point. It decides how tall your cabinets can be, how high you can lift lumber, and whether that sheet of plywood clears. Doors and swing zones. A shop is useless if you can't get stuff through the doors. Measure garage doors, people doors, attic pull-downs, and every swing or roll they make. Add some buffer space around them, and then swear to yourself you will never steal that space back. Obstacles and utilities. Breaker panels, water heaters, steps, posts, attic ladders, windows, vents. These aren't annoyances, they are immovable objects. A blocked breaker panel isn't just inconvenient, it's dangerous, and in some cases, illegal. Don't think you'll squeeze past later. Plan around them now so you never regret it. Power and air. Count every outlet. Mark amperage, note 240 volt if you have it, and circle the spots where you wish you had power, because that's where you'll want to add it down the road. Air is the same. These numbers are so critical to make your shop your shop. Now, grab some paper. Draw your outline floor space. Mark the doors with arc. Also note the door heights. Mark and label windows. Jot outlet locations. Don't worry about neat and pretty drawings. Accuracy beats beauty. You are going to want to keep this sketch someplace handy and safe. Maybe tape it on the wall for later quick reference. Before you spend a single dollar, tape the floor. Blue painter's tape is your best friend here. Lay down the footprint of your future workbench. Mark the spots where rolling carts will live. Outline that tool you don't have yet but plan to add. Then walk it. Roll a chair through it. Pretend to pick up materials and swing around. If you find yourself bumping, backing up, or twisting weirdly, it's wrong. Fix it now. Tape is cheap. Plywood, lumber, and steel are not. By now, you're itching to spend. Not yet. Instead, write some upgrades your measurements suggest. Maybe it's more outlets, maybe it's brighter lighting, maybe it's a bench that actually fits your reach. Put them on the list, but hold your wallet. In episode 2, we progress with electricity and lighting. That's where those upgrades go from wishful thinking to smart moves. Congratulations! You have now planned and recorded your space. Now you're ready to progress to the next step, where we plan and wire electricity and lights, circuits, outlet placement, and bright, even shop lighting. That's when your space starts to shine. Bookmark this playlist. You should be getting excited about this now. Your dream is becoming a reality. This is going to be your shop. I'm Sparky. See you in episode 2. Sparky out.